Dad, and today I'm doing a quick video on how to fix a door that is not closing properly. So let me show you real quick. All right, so this is what's happening to my girl's closet. You can see the bottom has a nice gap, but then when it gets to the top, and boom, there's no gap, right? So you kind of have to like force it in, and even when you force it in, you can see there's like no gap here, but then you have a lot of gap here. So what happens is you can see here it has a small gap, here it has a big gap. So how do we fix this, right? So I have a method to fixing this, and what a lot of people end up doing is they'll come in and they'll put bigger screws in, and you know, these are really small, the ones that come with the hinges, and they'll put bigger screws, and that's fine, but you need to fix the problem. So what it is you need to make that hole tighter, so that way the screw can go in and can stay tight, and it can get as close as to the frame as possible. So I'm going to show you a method that I use to fix my doors. Alright guys, do me a favor before I move on. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, subscribe to our channel. That all helps me get these videos out. Alright, so I appreciate it. Thank you. You're going to need a hammer. You're going to need some wood glue. I like to use Gorilla. You're going to need a golf tee. All right, these are made of wood. All right, so get yourself a little bag. All of these items, I'll put it down in the description box with a link. You can just click it and purchase it. But you're gonna need this. This is important. All right, and if you have one, use a multi-tool. All right, and that's just to cut the excess of this little tee. All right, here we go. So I already took the hinge off on the wood paneling here, and I actually already stuck a golf tee in there. So what I did is I put the golf tee, I used the hammer to hammer it in, put some wood glue on the tip so that way it goes in and it goes right into the hole. So I did both of these holes already. Now I'm going to do this one. I used the multi-tool to cut off the excess. You see how it's nice and flat? And that's what you want. You don't want any excess, because the excess is going to create an extra bump, and that's what's going to create that gap. So I'm going to go ahead and do the last one and show you to see if it worked or not. Alright, so I did the last hole. I put these back on. I'm going to put the last one. I'm going to go ahead and put the last one. Alright, and let's see if that fixed the problem. Aha! Nice gap all the way down. Alright, now I just have to do that one, and that should be fixed. What I like about these golf tees is that it has that, you know, big part at the end, and it's perfect for hammering it. All right, flat. Okay, you want to make sure that there's no bumps. And now I'm going to put the hinge back, and problem fixed. I hope this helps someone out. No need to live your life in frustration with the doors hitting each other. It's a simple fix. And again, everything will be down in the description box. Find everything you need down there. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you soon. God bless.